Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best photo boot props that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Kansai Photo Booth Props Kit. If you are planning to throw a luau party, beach party, summer pool party, or other similar themed events, these photo booth props are what you need. Apparently, the Hawaiian Photo Booth Props Kit from Kansai is a great party decoration supply to add more color and humor to your event. Moreover, its size is perfect for both kids and adults. In terms of quality, this Hawaiian Photo Booth Props Kit is the best choice for its durability and high quality. In a set, it includes 45 pieces wearable photo booth props in many different vibrant colors and designs. Moving on at number 4, we have Christmas Party Photo Booth Props. Since everyone loves Christmas, so we bring you to the best Christmas photo booth props of the year. In a single packet, it comprises 38 pieces of Christmas card props coming in different styles which are perfect for Christmas celebration. Even though your friends or family don't like being in a picture, this Christmas card props will encourage them to actively participate. Because these cute props help create more styles and loosen the awkwardness of them in front of the camera. Moreover, the design of this photo booth props kit focuses on quality more than just quantity. That means, you will get durable props cardboard, and sticks which can last for a very long time. The assembly is super convenient for you too, you just have to simply glue the card props with sticks, then everything is set. Finally, you can enjoy taking many unforgettable Christmas photo albums of the year with your beloved people. At number 3, we have Tinksky DIY Printable Photo Booth Props Kit 60 PCs. Moving on to the top 4th wearable photo booth props from Tinksky, which you will absolutely fall in love with. Basically, you will get up to 60 pieces of many different creative and funny props in a packet. Specifically, this accessory set includes hipster mustaches, glasses, hats, crowns, bow ties, and many more. It makes your style limitless because you can choose many options to customize your own creative kit combination to master in a picture. Moreover, Tinksky created these photo booth props cardstock and bamboo stick from high quality and durable materials. Thus, you never have to worry about them being broken during your joyful moment. However, you have to glue or tape card props and stick them together by yourself. Anyway, it is super easy to do it. At number 2, we have Box 51 Photo Booth Props, Classical Photo Frame. They have brought to you the top 5 photo booth props called the Box 51 Photo Booth Props, which are different from other props set. Firstly, it can fit in any occasion not limited to weddings, Christmas, Halloween, birthday, or social gathering parties. Moreover, you will receive a photo classical card frame coming along with 24 cardstock props in a single packet. Hence, you can combine them together to create many wonderful and hilarious photo styles with your friends. Apart from this, it is incredibly easy for you to simply stick things together using the glue provided. Not only can you purchase this Box 51 photo booth for your own needs, but you can also give it as a gift to your loved ones. Then, you will be surprised to see how often they happily post pictures on social media using the frame and props you gifted them. And finally at number 1. Kansai Wedding Photo Booth Props. Kansai has invented high-quality 52 unique wedding props kits for you and your guests to enjoy at the party. In the package, you will receive many unique cardstocks for styling from hats, glasses, mustaches to funny statement prop cardboards. On top of that, all the props are in many different colors, which helps add more color to your wedding photos to be more colorful. Besides, some props are also designed from real gold glitter to make your photos sparkle and shiny. Moreover, Kansai also provides you with customer service after purchasing this item. Therefore, there will be customer service from the company standing by the booth props to facilitate and provide service to people in your party. All in all, you only need to have a great background and a camera to have fun. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.